Okay, a quick video now, demonstration on our kit-free system, also the ball and socket system. Here we have the swage ball, the adjuster with the ball on the end, and the two sockets here. The stainless steel wire rope, 4mm diameter, wire rope cutters, and of course the hydraulic crimping tool. Zoom in now so you can see the on off. Just spin it to one, put the 16 dies in, and you're ready to go with the 4mm wire on this system. And of course, have a marker pen ready. You'll see why later on. Okay, we've pre-cut some wire here just for the purpose of the video, and we're going to go for the swage ball fitting first, the little smaller fitting. Put it in the jaws, turn the tool to on, and start pumping. Simple as that. We are only going to put one crimp in, one swage. I mean, you guys can put two in, one's plenty. And as you can see, the jaws are closing. Once it's bit, it's got it there, you'll start to feel the, obviously it's a bit harder to pump. So that's two. Give it another one. No, two's enough. So we release the pressure out, and here you'll see it swaged the fitting successfully onto the steel wire rope, halfway up. If you want, you can do a little bit below there as well. Just put a couple in, but one is plenty. Okay, new sockets we have, a little bit tighter to fit. So just put it in underneath like that, and get the wire ready. So we're going to get the adjuster ready now. So we're going to put the adjuster, we're going to get it set at 50% open. So obviously that gives you a little bit of flexibility with the measurement. You know, you've got the tension there. Obviously if you did it and it was closed, you'd never be able to tension it, which would be pointless. So always make sure it's at least 50% open. This will obviously enable you to take some more slack up later on in the fabrication, which you'll see later on in the video. Let's get the lock nuts out of the way. Okay, once again, we have had new sockets designed, which are a lot tighter, a bit more secure. So what we're going to do now is put the rigging screw in the socket, and then we're going to mark on the wire where the wire rope will sit in the swage. You've still got a bit of slack, and obviously you've still got the adjustment on the rigging screw. So you'll mark there, which is 50% up the way, up the swage terminal, with the rigging screw 50% open. And that's where we're going to make our cut. Take the other end back out. So obviously we're going to mark on the black mark, which we've done with our Sharpie. And then we're going to cut the wire rope. And then what we're going to do, put the wire rope in the sleeve and sway. Just make sure, obviously, it all looks good by eye, which is good there. And then obviously we've got the tension left in the rigging screw too. So what we're going to do now, we're going to, now we're happy, we're going to swage the other end, the swage sleeve of the adjuster, and then that way you're going to have both ends swaged onto the wire. So same again, a little bit more fiddlier when obviously you can't just put the wire through. So take the one die out, put it back in, put the pin back down. Exactly the same, spin it to one, start pumping. Okay, once it's grabbed it, just give it 2 or 3 or 4, you know, not too much. And then just release the pressure back off and pull it out. And here we are. Okay, so we're going to fit this now. Like I say, these new sockets are a lot stronger. So if you can't get the other end in, which we're going to show you on this video, just simply unscrew the swage ball end of the rigging screw totally out. Then obviously make sure on these new tighter sockets we've had designed that you push it in like that and then just simply screw it back on. So we're going to screw that other side so it's roughly 50% the same as the other side, 50% open. So just screw that one side only. You can use a small spanner as well. Obviously there's a little flat right at the end there. Okay, once you've got the same amount of thread showing on both sides of the adjuster, like so, and as you can see, you've got quite a bit of slack there, which we're going to take up by spinning the rigging screw body now, which is obviously the whole idea of the rigging screw. So this is where we're going to get our tension. Once both sockets are in, both sides, we're going to start spinning the rigging screw. I'll just back out here, and as you can see, it's tightening the wire. And there we go. There's the completed fitting with the sockets attachments. Once you're done and you're happy, you can use a spanner, but for this video we just do it for the ease just by using our hands. Tighten the locking nuts down onto the adjuster body, and there we go. One complete run on our little rig we've made up in the warehouse, just to show you guys how it all works and how it all fits together. But yeah, it's very simple with the tools provided in the kit, or you can buy them separately. Thanks for watching.